If you Google how to set up a company in UAE, you will find 100 websites all telling you it costs 3,000 dirhams and takes 3 days. That is not the full story. I set up my own company here. I have helped others do it. And today I'm going to tell you the real process, the actual cost, and the actual timeline, and the things that nobody tells you until you have already paid. So, free zone or mainland, the real difference. This is the first decision you will make and most important one. Free zone means your company is registered in a specific economic zone. You get 100% ownership, tax benefits, and a simplified setup process. But you generally cannot do business directly with the UAE based clients without a local distributor. If your clients are outside UAE or online, free zone is usually fine. Mainland means your company is registered with the Department of Economic Development. You can trade freely within UAE, bid on government contracts, open a physical shop. It's more expensive and slightly more complex. But if you have or you are serving to the UAE market directly, you need this. The mistake I see Indian entrepreneurs make, they choose free zone because it's cheaper and then they discover 6 months later they cannot do what they came here to do. Know your business model before you choose your structure. Here's what the advertised price usually includes: the license fee. That's it. Here's what it does not include: your visa cost, typically 3,000 to 5,000 dirhams per visa. Emirates and medical ID, another 1,000 to 1,500. Office or flexidesk requirement, 5,000 to 15,000 per year depending on free zone. And bank account setup. Some banks require a minimum deposit of 50,000 dirhams for business accounts and consultant fees. If you are using an agent, that goes up to 2,000 to 5,000 dirhams. So, a realistic budget for setting up properly in UAE, including visa license, office address, and a bank account, is 20,000 to 40,000 for the first year. Anyone telling you 5,000 is leaving things out. Let's talk about the timeline. Free zone setup. It usually takes 1 to 3 weeks for the license if your documents are in order. And for the mainland setup in Dubai, it takes 3 to 6 weeks typically. For the bank account, this is where most people hit a wall. UAE banks are strict. They want to understand your business model, your source of funds, and your expected transactions. Budget 4 to 8 weeks for this process. Some banks will reject you. Apply to three simultaneously. The three biggest mistakes, what I see. Mistake 1: choosing a free zone based on price alone without checking if it fits your activity. Every free zone has a list of permitted activities. Make sure yours on it. Mistake 2: under budgeting. See the numbers above. Go in prepared. Mistake 3: ignoring the bank account process. Your company is useless without a business bank account. Start the process the moment your license is received, not after. This is the overview. In future videos, I'm going to go deep on specific free zones, banking, and the visa process. If you have a specific question about setting up in UAE, drop in the comments below. I read everyone and I'll answer the most common ones in the upcoming video. If this resonated with you, follow me at Sumaira Kusmulu for more real talk on entrepreneurship, building in Dubai, and going global. I post every week and I don't do generic advice. And if you're seriously thinking about starting or growing a business, I have a free guide in my bio. Go grab it, link is right there.